everyone, today's video is in collaboration with Temu. Temu reached out to me recently and I was able to pick out items from their website for free to review for you all. Since I decided to do a little room makeover, I had wanted to decorate my pegboard that has been empty for a while now. The first item I got was this Miffy plushie. It's super cute. I absolutely love it. I'm not gonna lie, the head is shaped a little weird, but the face still looks adorable. It's not an original Miffy plush, but it's still really cute and great for what you pay for. Next item I got was this little pen organizer. It's a lot smaller than what I was expecting, but I love how it's sort of transparent. It's gonna work perfectly with the other Temu pencils I got. Next is this K-pop photo card holder. I wanted to mimic some of my favorite YouTubers' pegboard. I noticed it's common to have one of these, so I got it in white. It's exactly what I was expecting. It's cute and the heart on the front makes it extra adorable. Here I have a mini 3-ring binder. It's tiny and super cute, perfect for my pegboard. It's really good quality and exactly what I was expecting to get. It comes with these little mini file folders and it comes with mini graph paper as well. Next was this white lamp. It was a very affordable price for a lamp actually. It's not made of the most sturdiest material, but I think I can make it work for my desk area. All you need to do is connect the wire it comes with to your phone's charging block to make it work. It has 3 different light settings. I'll show you how it works towards the end of the video. I also got this clock. It looks super cool, doesn't it? It looks just like the picture. The back shows all the different settings. All you need to do is put some batteries to make it work. Yeah, sadly it doesn't come with any batteries. Next are these adorable Miffy stickers. Look how adorable these are. They're the cutest stickers I've ever seen in my life. They're really good quality too. The color is super vibrant. I'm definitely going to be using these for everything. I also got this adorable Miffy keychain. It comes with 2 little charms to match Miffy's blue outfit. It also says Miffy here in bright orange letters. I don't love the vibrant colors, so I'll be separating my Miffy from the other charms later on. Next are these mechanical pencils I got. I wanted to buy pencils that resemble the ones you can buy at the Japanese shop Muji. They look super similar and they're super cute too. I also got this mini magnetic photo card brick. You'll see what I'll do with this later on. It's gonna look so cute on my desk. You can put any sticker you want here and it makes it stand out a lot more. Last but not least are these adorable Miffy pens. When I saw these, I knew I needed to get them. They have other colors, but I wanted the all white ones since I'm going for an all minimalistic white look. Look at all the mini Miffys. This next item is not from Temu, although they do sell it there. I purchased this humidifier way before I got the offer to work with Temu, so I got this off of Amazon, but I believe it's a lot cheaper on Temu. Look how cute it looks. I chose the blue one since a lot of my favorite YouTubers have the same one in blue, but I believe they do sell a pink option as well in case you want a pink one instead. I'll be installing this later in the video and you'll get to see how cool it is. It works as both a nightlight and a humidifier. Next is my mini Miffy haul from the items I purchased when I was in Japan. This here is a Miffy plushie I purchased at the official Miffy store at Tokyo Station. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Temu Miffy and the official Miffy. Next I got this other Miffy plush. It's adorable, isn't it? I also got to visit Kyoto and I checked out the Miffy store in Arashiyama. I ended up buying this pink Miffy bowl. I'm so excited to use it. I absolutely love cute cutlery. Alright, time to decorate my pegboard. I'm going to start by putting one of the Miffy stickers on the magnetic photo card brick. This will be used for decor, you'll see a little bit later. Here is my empty pegboard. Let's decorate it. I'm going to start by placing my lamp here. Now let's put this pen organizer here. The clock will go right next to it. A little Miffy will go right here. And finally, let's put some mechanical pencils right in here. Alright, it's time to focus just on the pegboard now. I got this pegboard from IKEA and I got some mini organizers as well, so I'll be attaching them here. I'm going to be putting all of my Miffy plushies right here. Okay, now let's take the Miffy pens out of the package. I'll be placing them here. They look perfect. Maybe I'll leave them here, but I'm not sure I even like them here. Here I've detached Miffy from the other charms. I decided to change things up a bit. I decided to mimic this pegboard from one of my favorite YouTubers. I'll be putting the other Miffy somewhere else. This leaves a perfect spot for my mini binder and photo album. Little Miffy looks perfect there. I think this looks a lot better. I decided to make my own little Miffy keychain. This is part of the other Miffy keychain I showed you guys earlier. Finally, my new headphones arrived. This works perfectly with the pegboard. I was super excited about getting this humidifier to work, so I took a quick little break from decorating my desk. I added water like the instructions asked, and voila, it looks so cute. I could not figure out how to turn on the light for the first couple of minutes, but after some research, I learned that you're supposed to keep holding on the back button until you see the light turns on. I believe the instructions said something about how you should be holding it for 3 seconds, but honestly, I keep holding it until I see the light turn on. This is absolutely adorable. Alright, now back to my desk. I laid out all the things I wanted to put on my pegboard. I got creative and decided to use some of the receipts I saved for my trip to Japan this year. It worked so well. Finally, I decided to put the other Miffy plush I had removed from earlier down here. And this is the final result. I think it looks so cute. This was so much fun. I definitely see myself redecorating my pegboard, but instead decorating it with all the new My Melody stationery I got in Japan for a more kawaii look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I was honestly curious to see the quality of these items, as I'm sure many of you have also been curious about Temu, but I have to say I love every single item I received. Now, a little tip though, I recommend you look at the reviews. This will ensure you know what you're buying and if the image really matches the item you're going to receive. I took my time doing my research and look at the reviews for each item. If there was one without a review, then I kind of stayed away from that. Now, as a result, I chose items that I knew would be good. The prices are very affordable, and if you're a student looking for cute and inexpensive stationery or school supplies, then Temu is a great place to buy your items. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these. Below I have links to all the Temu items I showed you today in case you want to buy any of the items I showed you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these. Below I have links to all the Temu stuff I showed you today in case you want to buy any of the items. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @theofficial_Abby. I'll leave a link to all my social media accounts in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and follow me everywhere. It would mean so much to me. Now, if you can fill out my form letting me know what kinds of videos you want to see on my channel, I would really appreciate it. It is also located in the description box of this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. 見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。